The Owen James Report is brought to you by
This program is brought to you by the Grace Kennedy Group. We choose to care. Grace Kennedy Money Services has been here for you and your family, here and abroad, because we understand that you're receiving more than money. You're receiving their love. Grace Kennedy Financial Group has been here for you because we know it's more than just investments, insurance, or banking. It's about security and creating a path to realizing your dreams. For 90 years, honesty, integrity, and trust. The Grace Kennedy Group, we choose to care.
Good evening, this is the Owen James Report. World oil prices fell today mainly over speculation of a nuclear deal that could lift crippling sanctions against Iran and boost its oil exports, bringing oversupply concerns to the market. Rising Libyan crude output and a firmer dollar also weighed on Brent International. Benchmark Brent futures fell by a month-high 5%, losing over $3 to close at $59.54 a barrel. U.S. crude was down 17 cents, settling at $49.59 a barrel. Essentially, investors are betting that oversupply of oil will come, thus pushing prices lower. News on the Jamaican stock market now, and the big news was a $1 billion transaction in Access Financial Services shares today, with over 112 million units traded. Analysts speculate that the volume of shares traded suggests possible reorganization of Access Financial. Access, whose single largest shareholder is now Proven Investments, recently released financials showing a 13.5% increase in profits. Access Financial accounted for over 97% of the 112.4 million shares traded today. Overall, 16 stocks traded, with 5 advancing, 6 declining, and 5 trading firm. The winners were Access Financial up 2.1%, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Broilers, Lasco Distributors, and Mayberry. The losers included Caribbean Cement down 11.5%, Denon Geddes, Jamaica Producers down 7.6%, Sagicor Group, and Scotia Group. Finally, it now costs the National Commercial Bank 63 cents to make a dollar, down from 67 cents a year ago. NCB's Deputy Managing Director Dennis Cohen says the banking group plans to aggressively build on the initiatives such as sales, technology, and customer service, which ensured an improved cost-to-income ratio in its last financial year. He was answering my question at NCB's recent annual general meeting.
We believe the benefits from those initiatives, coupled with the improved income impact from lending expansion on our overall sales and service effectiveness initiatives, we expect to see continued improvement in that key ratio. So we have had improvements year over year, and we are expecting and planning to have continued improvements going forward.
On another matter, Mr. Cohen noted that NCB Group had invested heavily in expertise and building appropriate firewalls to shut down phishing scams as soon as they occur. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you by
Grace Kennedy. This program was brought to you by the Grace Kennedy Group. We choose to care.